Jamaican boxers, 8 Canadian boxers, $3 million, 1 title belt, 1 junior middleweight champion. Who will be the next Wray Nephew Contender?
Yeah, no matter where we go, now what we do, we run the place, that's what we do. So there can be no substitute. We are champion, tell them we are champion. No matter where we go, now what we do, we run the place, that's what we do. So there can be no substitute. We are champion, tell them we are champion. No matter where we go, now what we do, we run the place, that's what we do. So there can be no substitute. We are champion, tell them we are champion. Tell them we are champion. Tell them we are champion.
It's the Wray Nephew Contender.
Sakima Mullings promises to bring back the title and honor to Jamaica. And he put the Jamaican team one step closer last week on the Wray Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways, the official carrier of the series. It's a new season, and I'm your host, Crystal Tomlinson. And I know you're just as excited about tonight as I am, because it will no doubt be an explosive main event. But before we get too hype up about that party, let's check out all the hype of last week's main event.
Introducing to you first, boxing out of the red corner, Sakima Mullings. And his opponent across the ring, boxing out of the blue corner, Winston, the Punisher Matthews.
Mullings is backing up Matthews. A massive invitation, that's a good right. I think Mullings is susceptible to a right cross that could knock him out. Set the pace, the bell sound. And Mullings says, come on. And Matthews can't respond. He straightens Matthews out, and another, and he's saying, well, you can hit my body. I'm not quite sure that Matthews wants that. And so Mullings goes to the body.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 5 complete rounds, we go to the scorecards. For the winner, by unanimous decision, Sakima Mullings.
The Punisher surely dished out his share of punishment, but in the end, the judges unanimously saw it in favor of the mauler, Sakima Mullings, who maintains his ranking as Team Jamaica's #1 boxer. Now that position is much sought after, from the pros to the amateurs, so Sakima has to stay on his toes. As a matter of fact, here are 2 amateurs who fought on tonight's undercard, who are hoping to one day own that title. Watch this.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to you. Please welcome to the ring, Ricardo Carter. Now, making his way to the ring, Patrick Sahadio.
Every time you take one step, something pulls you back.
Disastrous consequences. Sound of the bell. Light welterweights here. Quite accomplished, quite competent. But he has to be careful against Sahadeo. Oh, that's a stinging right hook by Carter. He smiles, and that's always the telltale sign that he's hurt. And another cross by Carter. But Sahadeo came in quite confident. Now try and impose himself, but that's a good short right hook by Carter, followed by a left cross, and Sahadeo is stunned momentarily. And another left hook by Carter. Sahadeo is still coming forward, so he's not protecting himself, giving up a lot of free shots to Sahadeo. He has to be careful. Oh, big right by Sahadeo on the left. And they are finishing strongly here.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 complete rounds, we go to the scorecards. And the winner by split decision, blue, Patrick Sahadio.
A big congrats to the victor there, Patrick Sahadio of JDF Gym, who looked quite impressive tonight. We have to take a break now, but I assure you that he's not going to be the only person to impress you. The main event features Canada's #1 ranked boxer and a very tough and technical opponent from Jamaica. So stay tuned for more details when the Wray Nephew Contender returns.
It's the Wray Nephew Contender.